Okay, so before I get in there, something I want to show you that David and I do to help with this right here. So a lot of times you'll get a lot of different frames that, especially with the plastic, that they're not pulling real well. Well, what's usually happened is they've usually robbed this wax off of here to go to in some of the other areas here. And so what we do, just real quick to help with that, is if we've got old burr comb or comb laying around, we just take it and we just do this, and we just get it roughed on there. You can use the comb that you have in your yard right there. You can use maybe you've went ahead and rendered your comb or your wax, and you have some of that ready to go. But we find just giving them something to start fooling around with is usually enough to be able to get them to pull in this area again. So if you're getting frustrated that that they are not pulling on certain parts of your plastic comb, just go in and re-wax a little bit. You don't have to pull it all off. It's just like this one right here. Now they just started pulling this one and it looks pretty good, by the way. But again, if you wanted to and you wanted to take some of your wax that you have, it can be again re-rendered, or just something that you have that you're some of your burr comb that you've been throwing on the ground. You just take it and rub it around in here, and honestly, we have found, David and I have found, that this right here works just as good in a pinch when you're out in the field and you don't have your melted wax with you. This right here works just as well to get them pulling on areas that they were not pulling on. So just try it the next time you're out in the field and you see, oh my gosh, they're not pulling on this and in this area. Well, again, just wad up your burr comb and get it going. All right, so there you go, just a quick tip for you.